Welcome to Nutrient Living Guide. Today, we're going to talk about 5 incredibly healthy foods that contain no carbs or sugar. These foods are perfect for anyone who wants to maintain a balanced diet, control their weight, and improve their health. Here we go. Number 5. Avocado. Have you ever wondered why avocado is so popular among healthy eating lovers? Is not for nothing. First, let's talk about the healthy fats it contains. Yes, fats, but not just any fat. We're talking about oleic acid, the same fat found in olive oil. This monounsaturated fat is a powerful ally in reducing bad cholesterol and increasing good cholesterol, helping to keep your heart in tip-top shape. But does not stop there. Avocado is also a wonderful source of fiber. Did you know that just half an avocado can provide around 7 grams of fiber? That's almost a quarter of the recommended daily amount. Fiber is essential for good digestion and to maintain that feeling of satiety, that is, less hunger and fewer unnecessary snacks throughout the day. Furthermore, avocado is a treasure trove of vitamins. It is loaded with vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system, vitamin E, which is excellent for skin health and fights free radicals, and vitamin K, which helps with blood clotting and bone health. And we can't forget the B complex, which gives that boost in energy and the functioning of metabolism. Number 4. Salmon. Salmon is not just a delicious fish, but a true superfood. It is famous for being an excellent source of proteins, essential for the growth and repair of body tissues. But what really makes salmon stand out are its omega-3 fatty acids. These acids are true health heroes, known for their incredible cardiovascular benefits. They help reduce inflammation, improve blood circulation, and keep cholesterol levels in check. The result? A stronger and healthier heart. And there's more. The omega-3s in salmon also do wonders for your brain. Studies show that these fatty acids can improve cognitive function and even help prevent neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Just imagine, a delicious food that helps keep your mind sharp. But the salmon doesn't stop there. It is also one of the best natural sources of vitamin D, crucial for bone health and strengthening the immune system. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, keeping your bones strong and resilient. And we know how important it is to have a eye. Ready for the next topic? Stay tuned, because we have lots more amazing health tips coming. Number 3. Cabbage. Imagine a dark green leaf, crunchy and full of nutrients. Yes, we are talking about kale. This vegetable may seem simple, but it is a true nutritional powerhouse. First, let's talk about antioxidants. Kale is full of them, especially vitamin C, which is vital for strengthening the immune system. A cup of raw kale contains more vitamin C than an orange. That's right, who knew? But kale isn't just about vitamin C. It's also an incredible source of vitamin A, which is essential for eye and skin health. And we can't forget vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. If you want to keep your bones strong and prevent fractures, vitamin K is your ally. And there's more. Kale is rich in compounds that help detoxify the body. Yes, you heard right. The glucosinolates present in kale help activate enzymes in the liver that neutralize potentially harmful toxins. This means that in addition to nourishing your body, kale also helps cleanse it from the inside out. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are true nutritional wonders. Each egg is a small nutrient capsule, packed with high-quality proteins that are essential for building and repairing the body's tissues. Imagine this. Every time you eat an egg, you are providing your body with all the essential amino acids it needs to function properly. And that's just the beginning. Eggs are an excellent source of choline, a nutrient crucial for brain health. Choline helps maintain the structure of cell membranes, contributes to the production of neurotransmitters, and is vital for cognitive function and memory. Eating eggs regularly can give your brain that extra boost it needs to stay sharp. But don't think that eggs are just good for your brain. They are also rich in antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which are essential for eye health. These antioxidants help protect the eyes against damage caused by blue light and may reduce the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts as we age. Want to keep your vision clear and healthy? Include eggs in your diet. Number 1. Nuts. Nuts may seem simple at first glance, but don't let their size fool you. They are true nutritional powerhouses. Let's start with healthy fats. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, the same ones found in salmon. These fatty acids are essential for heart health, helping to reduce inflammation, improve blood circulation, and keep cholesterol levels in check. By eating nuts regularly, you are taking a big step towards protecting your heart. It does not stop there. Nuts are an excellent source of antioxidants, such as vitamin E, which fights free radicals and helps prevent premature aging and chronic diseases. Furthermore, the antioxidants present in nuts also help protect your cells from damage and keep your skin healthy and youthful. It's as if each nut was a little capsule of youth. But the benefits of walnuts are not limited to the heart and skin. They are rich in protein and fiber, which help keep you feeling full for longer. This is especially helpful if you're trying to control your weight or avoid unhealthy snacks throughout the day. Eating a handful of nuts can be the difference between a productive afternoon and one filled with food cravings. Additionally, nuts have a positive impact on your brain. Studies show that consuming nuts regularly can improve cognitive function and memory. This means that by adding nuts to your diet, you are not only taking care of your body, but also your brain. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like. This helps us know that we are on the right path and motivates us to bring you even more quality content. And of course, subscribe to the Nutrient Living Guide channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of our tips and news about health and fitness. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Stay healthy and continue living well with Nutrient Living Guide.